Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna unbox something. So, let's check what's inside! Open this. Mga besh, Bisaya to besh. So this one, I ordered this in Lazada.
Come on!
And then there's another. Ikatulo na ni na plastic. Secure kit siya. So, hapit na mahuman. Okay mga besh, so naman ang outer musical frame. This is the final one, ang bubble wrap. So, let me start. And we will see what it is. Ta-da! This is a speaker. So, ako ni Max. Ready?
Come on! So, na-expect ko nga gamay ra siya, pero in person, ako kayo siya. Wait lang. OMG, surprise na ba? Carton. So, muna yung product.
Okay, so medyo na-stress ko pag open sa box. So, this is the speaker. It's really big. Oh! Wow! Ano siya og bag? This is the on. Nag-on na siya. So I'm gonna connect to Bluetooth. Ano siya? Ang speaker. Mo siya bag, dako kayo siya. See? Adds a volume, minus a volume, Bluetooth. And then, okay, so next na ko i-show is kung unsa siya kanindot kung magpa-sounds.
Okay, Besh. So, aside ani nga speaker, isa siya kataba ng mga charger. Isa, duha, tulo, upat, lima, mga charger. So, kanang mga wire na siya asa ipang connect. And then, The manual, of course. Check naman direct naman sa ang tagamit. Next is, unsa siya kanindot kung ipa-sounds. I'll show you now. Okay, so manin niyo siya ni Wonder Age. Mura siyang bag tan-awon. See. Carmen Carden.
If you wanna train me like an animal, better keep your eye on my every move. There's no need to be so damn cruel. Baby, you got nothing to prove. I know full well I'm not a follower. I don't take things as they come if they bring me down. Life can be cruel if you're a dreamer. I just wanna have some fun. Don't tell me what could be done. You know you like it, but it drives you insane. You know you like it, but it drives you insane. You know you like it, but you're scared of the shame. What you want, what you gonna do? You know you like it, but it drives you insane. Only because you know that you wanna feel the same. You know you like it, but it drives you insane. What you want, what you want?
Alright guys, so mao to siya. Ito yung sound, indot kaayo. Hinay pa lang to. So, if you like it, I know you like it, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing moment. Next na kong i-unbox is mystery box. Wa ako kay bawang sulod. Kanina ako idea, it's a sticker. And nandit kayo siya. So, bye! Next time around. Bye mga besh!